Hello and welcome everybody. This is the latest addition to the GT3 family. It's the GT3 SC, our new baby. It's a convertible. The C stands for convertible. You might think, does it go well together, a GT3 and convertible? And I can tell you, yes, it does. I couldn't imagine a better driver's car than one without a top. If you look at the car, it has a very, very bespoke exterior. It starts with a GT3 front end, the GT3 carbon fiber trunk lid, and it continues with the 911 ST's carbon fiber front fender and doors. On the rear side, we have completely GT3 as well. The technology of the car is GT3 Motorsport. We have the 4-liter flat 6, revving to 9,000 RPM, mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a very short gearing. If we start at the wheels, you see the magnesium wheels, which are 3-dimensional here to save as much weight as possible. Just in comparison to a very light aluminum wheel, this saves almost 10 kilos on the whole car, and it's a standard equipment on the GT3 SC. As are the brakes. You see the PCCB brakes here, which shave off the weight in comparison to a normal steel brake by more than 20 kilos. And we're especially proud of how cool the car looks. It has its own appearance. I like this crease here from the door. It gives the car a very sportive line. We play a little bit around with black details like this flaps here, the black A-pillar, the black stone guard, and on the back, the black diffuser. So it's very subtle and it's very in harmony. So now let's have a look at the back of the car. Normally, one of the nicest sides of a 911. Look at this. I mean, it's so beautiful. It consists of many new parts. You might never seen a gurney flap on a convertible before. We need it for aerodynamical reasons. We have a completely new air inlet grille on the rear of the car, which matches perfectly the shape of the car. Everything flows. And on the underside, necessary for technical reasons as well, a big diffuser to keep the car stable at high speeds. We like to keep the air in check and press the car down to have as safe as possible ride in the car, which works beautifully even on this open version here. Now let's have a look at the interior. There's more stuff that's new. I enjoy a proper door handle, by the way, and this carbon fiber doors derived from the GT3 RS feature those. But it goes on. If you look at the inside of the door, we have the lightweight door panel, which is similar to the one we had in the 911 ST. We have this motorsport-like straps here, we have this netting. We have the carbon fiber bucket seats. They are foldable buckets. We introduced them on the GT3 2nd generation. Easy to get in and out. Manually adjustable. I like that because it's just quicker. Same goes for the steering wheel. We have a perforated leather. We have carbon fiber as a standard trim in the car, which fits nicely to the purpose of the car. And here you have the ultra short gear lever of the 911 ST. So this 6-speed gearbox gives a lot of power to the rear wheels and a lot of capability to overtake and to just have fun in the car because there's so much torque and power available. And as you know, as usual, we're a little bit old school sometimes in GT department, so we kept the turnkey switch instead of a button here. This is our new GT3 Open Air Festival. A purebred driver's car weighing in at less than 1,500 kilos with all the GT3 technology. One little anecdote from the development team. This car was the winner in the category Most Miles per Miles. Everybody wanted to drive it, and it's still like that. I want to own one personally. It's so much fun. And the good thing about it, this everyday speedster is not limited.